In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a search box frame. First, go to the page that you'd like to add your search box frame to. And you can add a search box frame to an existing product list page, or you can create a separate search page altogether. In this example, we're going to have a separate search page altogether. You're going to change the frame type to the e-commerce module, and then you're going to click on frame type search box and click save. This first box here is asking you where you want to show your field values. You can show them to the right of the field title indented, to the right of the field title with no indent, or under the field title. We're going to leave it to right of the field title indented. Auto clear search criteria clears the search box after somebody does a search. Do search on is either asking you if you want to have a search button to click, or if you want it to start searching as soon as they click a drop-down change. We're going to leave it on search button click. Upon search redirect to, you will need to have a page that has a product list frame in it that is set to search results, so that you can have a page that shows the search results. And it can be on the same page you have your search box, or it can be a completely different page. If only one record found go to, you can have it go to the product details of a specific item if there's only one item found in the search. Fuzzy SKU search is if you have names for SKUs and somebody does a search for a specific name, it will look before and after that search for more than what they searched for. Say your SKU number for a teddy bear is just bear, and they do a search for teddy bear. If you have fuzzy SKU search checked, then it will find teddy bear with only a bear SKU search. Searching categories, you can make it so that it's looking in all categories, or you can specifically select categories that you want the search to be searching through. I'm going to leave it to all. Include nested means that it's going to search for subcategories underneath the main categories. You can have it search for a specific product type, or through all product types. Down here are the form fields. This is going to be what the form or search box is going to look like on the page. These items here are what are going to be used and what's going to show up in the search field. I don't believe all these fields are necessary for a standard search. Maybe if you want to have an advanced search box, you can have it search through all these extra fields. But I think for a standard search, you really only want to have SKU name and description searched through. And here, if I uncheck this box and then leave this one checked, it will still search in nested categories. It's just not going to show that option that it's searching through nested categories on the search box on the live site. And you can have categories as a drop-down or as a multi-select. You can leave this checked and that gives them the option to change that, or you can uncheck it and it keeps it at this default. And the same for here as well. Unchecking this box takes away the option for the customer to have the option to use match whole words only or not. If you leave it checked here, then it's going to use match whole words only. If you uncheck it, then it's not going to use match whole words only. And for more information about how match whole words only works, please see the video that outlines that in detail. Find text mode. This also, when left checked, gives the client or customer the option to change if they're going to search for the phrase, for all words, or for any word. And if you only want them to be able to search one way, you can select that option say you want them to search for any word, and uncheck this. Now they don't have the option to change that, and it's always going to search for any word. For more detailed description on how these search options work, please see the related video. And for the label of these items, you can leave it to their default, which will show up as Find Text, or you can create a custom label. And that'll be what shows up in your search box. Alright, well, let's save this and take a look at it. Let's see if text and frame changes as well, and preview the page. Okay, and here's our basic search. I'm going to go ahead and search for mug, and there you can see we have our search results page showing us any items that have a mug or the word mug in them. And that concludes the basic setup of your search box frame.